Before you buy that first part, ask yourself the question, what do you want your car to do better? So suspension upgrades give you control, stance and confidence, or help you go up in the world. Supercharger upgrades give you more performance, often a much nicer sound, and in the case of this Harrop, you can actually just stick it on the wall as a piece of art. The classic combination of a remap and induction gives you a sharper response, a cleaner pull, more power and often much more torque. Whereas an exhaust will give you a much better look, a much nicer sound, a much better fit, and of course often a lot of power. If you even choose your tip, I think I'll go with this one. So it can be quite confusing as to what to fit first, what's going to make the most effect, what's going to give you the biggest bang for your buck. But don't worry, because the guys at Paramount with their 40 years of experience will tell you exactly what you need, in what order to fit it, and what's going to give you the best value for money and make your car the most fun to drive. So Paramount will help you buy that right first part and then take you on the journey to get your car precisely as you want it to be, rather than just sell you a part that doesn't work in the way you want it to. So if you tell the guys at Paramount your car, your goal and your budget, they'll advise the best bits for you to get you going as quickly as possible, looking as stylish as possible, but most importantly of all, just enjoying your car as much as possible. So head over to paramount-performance.com.